Meaning of glycemic index.
Glycemic index.
Glycemic index.
Glycemic index.
Glycemic index. The glycemic index, GI, is a measure of how quickly carbohydrate-containing foods raise blood sugar levels in the body. Foods with a high GI score are rapidly digested and absorbed, causing a sharp increase and subsequent decrease in blood sugar levels. In contrast, foods with a low GI score release glucose into the bloodstream more slowly, providing a gradual and sustained source of energy. The GI is used as a tool to help manage blood sugar levels in people with diabetes and to promote weight loss by choosing foods with a lower GI.